everybody, this is Caitlin's turn and I'm at South Lido Beach right now. Wanted to show you this area where it is a bird sanctuary. They are protecting the beach nesting birds. So they roped off this big spot here for the birds between February and September. They nest on all the coastal beaches. So this is one of the spots here at South Lido. We don't chase after birds and don't get too close. So sometimes you'll see eggs, it says, but it's nicely roped off. The little pink ribbons. I've seen some turtle nesting spots too that are roped off in little squares closer to the water. But boy, they give them a big piece of land. And every time I come to South Lido, the shape is different. So this used to be super straight and now there's like a curve up there. It's one of my favorite beaches in the world. This South Lido Beach part is part of Ted Sperling Park. It's getting close to sunset here. It's actually Memorial Day, Monday. So this roped off part goes on for a long time. See if we can get a close up of the birds. It's a nice little pond they got over there. All right. Let's see what this sign says. Keep out. Look at this cute sign. That was the cutest sign ever. Okay, so I've walked on the other side so you can see this perspective. There's downtown Sarasota, and I just walked around the bird net here. And it's about an hour before the sunset. Maybe even a little sooner. I don't know how long I've been walking. But there's all the birds. Happy that they get a little safe spot. Woo! There they go! Oh my gosh. There's a lot of them. So they'll fly and they'll go back to their safe place. Here they come again. Alright everybody, you guys come to South Lido Beach and come check out this bird nesting ground. It's pretty cool to watch them. You can put your chairs here and watch some birds if you really like them. Alright, have a good day.